Hi guys, welcome to Trade. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and like my videos. So if you have not watched my yesterday pre-market analysis of Banknifty, please watch it and come back here so you can able to understand is it was responded or not. Okay. So this is yesterday I was showed like where need to take long, where need to go for short. Okay. So same thing I'm now showing after the post market. Okay. So this is post market report for Bank Nifty. So I showed you like yesterday on pre-market. So if the market taken retracement above this level, we need to go long, correct? So it's not taken today. So there is no long position. For the short position, I drawn this level lines. Okay. Once it's take retracement, go for short up to this level, correct? If it is broken and again retracement only, you need to go again short. Okay. The first level of short position at already achieved today, correct? See the first level it was broken actually. Okay, it was broken and but we don't want to take trade from like this here. Okay, we don't because as per our analysis it need to take retracement from here, so you have to wait. So after this long position it is taken retracement here. Okay, are you able to see this? Okay, after retracement from here we have to take short position. So once if it takes short position, it's continually fall up to this level. Correct? Already updated here. Market can go up once taken support. Okay. If break, it will fall. It's updated already as per our my analysis. So it's taken support here. So it is trying to go up and finally reached here. Correct. So the thing is, you don't want to like confuse anything here and not to wait because today expiry day. If you wait, the theta decay will reduce and reduce your premiums, right? So you don't want to wait. Okay. So, but if you take short position here after this retracement, okay, it will achieve up to here 39,835. This level 4118. Okay, so it is almost 200 to 50 points. Correct. That's enough. This is one trade is enough for today. Okay. The other things will be like a premium eating only. There is no zero hero today. Okay. Only scalping or we can buy on dips or sell on rise process only today. Okay. So as per my pre-market analysis, it was responded perfectly on start position even today. Okay. Last previous days also it was responded same like today, it was responded perfectly. Please watch my pre-market analysis and check it how it was responded perfectly. Okay, so this is the price action how working in our markets. Okay, so we have expected like today monthly expiry, so it will be more movement and all. But as we expected, it's not happened today. Okay, we cannot able to predict the market 100% as I said earlier, but we can able to aware like where to exit where to enter and all. Okay, so with stop loss and trailing stop loss we can protect our capital and if you like if you lose something it will be very less. Okay, that is the important thing. The risk reward will be the important thing. So always enter at the right place and exit at right place. Okay, don't enter at the middle of the positions. That will be more difficult and there is no that much result for you guys. Okay, so as per this analysis, everything done today for the expiry. Okay, but as we expected, it's like there is no that much zero or hero things and all happen today. It's okay. That's not an issue for us. Okay, once our level reached, we have to enter and exit. That's it. Whatever the day it should be, either the expiry day or monthly, whatever it is. But as I said on the earlier video, today expiry day, we have to be more conscious. Okay, that is the important. So same thing like it will be a theta premium eating day today. Okay, on the second half. Okay, that is the thing. So that's it about the post market report of Bank Nifty today. So for tomorrow Friday pre market video will upload soon. Okay. So if you taken any trades or if you watched my levels, Please let me know your feedbacks on my comments. That will give me a booster to share more knowledges with you guys. Okay. Thank you so much. See you on next video.